Imagine, after 3 decades, the political landscape is shifting dramatically. Let's dive into what this means for South Africa and potentially for the world. So, the African National Congress, or ANC, has been the dominant party in South Africa since 1994. That was the year apartheid ended, and Nelson Mandela led the country towards a new era of democracy. Fast forward to today, and for the first time since then, the ANC has lost its majority in parliament. With more than 99% of votes counted, they've only managed to secure just over 40% of the vote. It's a huge drop, and places the country on the brink of forming a national coalition government. This is uncharted territory for South Africa, a nation where the ANC has been synonymous with governance. Why did this happen? Well, there's a lot going on. First off, the country faces severe challenges like high unemployment rates, hovering around 32%, and significant poverty, affecting half of its population of 62 million. Most of the poor are black South Africans, who have been the backbone of ANC support for years. But there's a twist in the tale. Critics and some politicians are pointing fingers at President Cyril Ramaphosa, suggesting his leadership has contributed to the ANC's decline. Opposition leaders think breaking the ANC's hold could be the first step in rescuing South Africa from its current crises. The opposition parties are jubilant, seeing this as a historic breakthrough, a chance to redraw the political landscape in a country that desperately needs change. But with the ANC still the largest party, they are now likely scrambling to find coalition partners. The big question on everyone's mind: can they secure enough support to re-elect Ramaphosa for a second term? This election isn't just a political shift, it's a wake-up call. It's about the voices of millions who are demanding better governance, who are tired of waiting for the promises of a better life to be fulfilled. This election represents hope, fear, and the immense possibility of a new direction. South Africa is at a crossroads. The next few months will be crucial in determining whether this political earthquake can lead to real change, or if it will be another missed opportunity in a long line of them. For everyone watching from outside, keep your eyes on this space. South Africa's journey could change the narrative of not just a nation, but an entire continent. Thanks for tuning in. If you're intrigued by how this unfolds, make sure to hit that subscribe button. More updates to come as this story develops. Stay engaged, stay informed.